In this quick guide, we'll show you how to check who doesn't follow you back on Instagram. So let's look how to do this. Open your Instagram app. Then click on profile icon at the bottom to navigate to profile page. Then tab on following. Here, you'll find a list of users you are following. Simply scroll down the list, take note, and click on each user to check whether they are following you or not. For now, I am clicking on one user from the list. Then tab on his or her following. If you are at the top of the following list, then congratulations, they are also following you. Now, let's consider the scenario where you have not been followed back. Tab on the user you think they haven't been followed back. Then tab on their following list. If you don't find your Instagram user at the top, it means they have not been following you back. This much for today. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.